Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller not turning on or syncing. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. Now to fix our PlayStation 5 controller not turning on or syncing, the first thing we want to go ahead and do is completely power cycle our PlayStation 5. So I can see my PlayStation is turned on. I'm going to locate the power button and then hold this down. I will hear one beep initially, and then I will hear a second beep. And we're going to simply turn this off and then unplug it from the wall outlet and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. So flip the PlayStation 5 around, locate the power cord right here, and simply unplug this for about a minute. So let's unplug it, and then plug it back in. So hopefully this would go ahead and fix our issue if it's not syncing or turning on. I've noticed this helps me actually turn on my PlayStation 5 using the controller when I press the PlayStation button. Sometimes my PlayStation simply won't turn on when I press this button, but this should go ahead and help that. Now to fix my PlayStation 5 controller not turning on or syncing specifically, let's go ahead and just locate the reset button on the back here. So there is a small pinhole right here that we will need to go ahead and press down. So if we do have the option to power on the controller, go ahead and just do that. So let's turn on my controller by pressing the PlayStation button. Then, using a small toothpick just like this, locate the reset button right here, and then hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm pressing it down, and my controller will go ahead and reset now. Now flip it around, turn on the controller, and just see if this will sync now or turn on. So I'm good to go here. Now if it doesn't sync, use a USB cable just like this and connect it to the front of the PlayStation 5. And then connect the other end to your PlayStation 5 controller. And then press the PlayStation button, and this should sync up to the console now. And maybe you have your controller actually connected to your computer, your iPad, or maybe even your phone via Bluetooth. Go ahead and disconnect the controller via Bluetooth on that object. So on my phone, if I go ahead and scroll down from the top here, and then go to Bluetooth, I can locate my controller under here, so wireless controller, tap this, and simply remove or unpair the controller from your phone. Also, if you already have a second controller connected to your PlayStation 5 and you're able to operate the settings menu, let's go on over to the controller settings. So if we go up to settings, select this, and then go on down to where it says accessories and select this. We can go to Bluetooth accessories right here and select this. Now we can locate the DualSense controller and select it, and then go to delete and unpair it from our PlayStation 5. Maybe there's a problem with it being paired right now, and if we simply unpair it from this menu and then take the controller and repair it now that we deleted it from this screen, hopefully it would go ahead and work. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.